Greetings. We're super excited to celebrate the beginning of a new school year. As the weather begins to cool off and the days get a little shorter, students are arriving and everyone is ready to get back into the classroom. We really do have a lot to look forward to. So let's start with the UCR Palm Desert campus update. We're very happy to welcome a new executive director, Agam Patel, who has been with UCR Palm Desert for more than 15 years. Agam is also the past president of UCR's Staff Assembly, so he's really well connected to the university community and to the Coachella Valley. He has a lot of plans to grow Palm Desert's presence in the Coachella Valley, and he's starting with an open house on Saturday, October 14th. The open house is designed to introduce the region's high school and community college students and their parents to the many University of California undergraduate and UCR University Extension programs that can benefit them. All of UCR's colleges and schools, undergraduate admissions, financial aid, and more will be represented. University Extension will join to highlight our programs, including professional certificates, degree completion program, and apprenticeships. This is the first of its kind at Palm Desert Center, and we're planning to host one every fall and every spring. We've also launched a new online program in nutrition for healthy living via our edX platform. The edX platform's mission is to open doors for all learners without the barriers of cost or location. So stay tuned as we develop more courses to share across edX. Recently, we were privileged to host a group of 19 young scholars from Queretaro, Mexico for a customized 3-week program in sustainable transportation. The program included specialized English instruction for engineers and entrepreneurs. Another main feature was the labs and lectures at UCR's state-of-the-art Center for Environmental Research and Technology, or CE-CERT. The students were also hosted by experts from the City of Riverside's Traffic Management and the California Air Resource Board. Students were super enthusiastic, they were energetic, and they really embraced the opportunities that the program afforded them. Finally, one of our degree completion students, Edwin Lopez Rivas, reached out to let us know how excited he is to be readmitted to UCR this summer. Edwin stopped in the middle of his degree due to COVID's impact on him, and he's returning this fall thanks to funding through our program, and he's super excited to return. He encourages other students to think about pursuing the opportunity. Edwin was very, very complimentary about our staff, whose advising and support he called exceptional. So we'll keep you posted on Edwin's journey. And if you think now is the time for you to achieve that University of California goal, connect with one of our UCRC advisors. So thanks for listening, and we'll be in touch again soon.